How am I? I'm alright, mate. Let me turn it off so you can hear us.
What are we going to do today?
Phil, today we are following me around. We're going to all the sites, showing you what I do in a day, which is made a bit tricky because I don't have a car, which is all part of a day, isn't it?
That's right.
So my car's in the garage, I haven't got it for 3 days, and just need to make it work.
So how are we going to do that then?
Well, you're giving me a lift, you're driving today, so that's handy. Yeah, I'm doing okay, you alright? No, that's fine, because it's, I'd probably say, you know, a good half the time that we have the meetings that you and I had, it leads to me recommending somebody else to do it. Cheers. Thanks, mate. Bye. He was ringing up. We've been talking over this week, and really he's saying he wants us to do it, but he completely accepts what I'm saying on terms of budget. I can't see that we're going to get it to the figure that he needs to get it to. There's some few risk items there on the structurals where he needs to get some structural advice so he doesn't expose himself on the cost for potential steelworks. And ultimately, he wants us to do it, but we can't do it for his budget. So there's a couple of local builders that we're always happy to recommend who do a fantastic job. So what's the harm in giving him some advice and pointing him in the right direction?
Are you driving or am I?
You're driving, mate. How'd you do it? Like that?
Yeah, and I've set it to auto, so it should be picking up my face. Is there a little green box around me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's focusing on me.
Yeah. Go on then. So where are we off to today, Phil?
Welcome to Insight On Site, everybody, with me, Anthony Nichols.
You did better than me.
Yeah.
Well, mate. How did you do that?
And then you hit the top button.
Anyone that says construction is easy and straightforward is absolutely lying, and anyone that says, oh, that project went really smoothly is absolutely lying. They don't go smoothly. It takes an effort for a project to go to plan, but I'd never say that a project went smoothly, no hiccups.
I ain't got time to see what's going on.
Good.
Anthony, can you take the GoPro and explain what's going on to it?
Do what? So we are following Matty around. This is my site visit. We like to get around and have a big catch up and see what's happening. Lovely day.
Starting to sort of make a difference now. The roof felt and battened in 90%. The lead work's going onto the cheek, oak fascia.
That's the brick, but then it's the detailing that comes around it as well. And it's these sorts of lovely finishes. There, you can see it coming down. And I'll try and do it into here. But you've got the tiling detail that is those little bits that take it from a standard build to a really nice high-end finish.
We're still recording, so
Oh, okay, mate.
point it where you're looking.
Come on in. Let's go through a window. Oh, mate.
Why are we going through a window?
Because you didn't want to go down the ladder. I should have gone down the stairs. So we finished up with Matt at our new build, and we're now going over to our project where Joe Smith is the site manager, which is the 3 barn conversions. I'll take OK presenter over bad presenter any day. I'm not trying to go out here and be some sort of superstar, and today is a good presenter.
Yeah, that they are.
They've won it 20 odd years in a row, so
Yeah.
they've got to be top of the tree. So I'm not about to knock them off the perch.
Yeah. Well, we need
But
it.
if I can get to just a bang average level, then do you know what? I'll be happy with that in presenting. Bang average. Yeah.
Well, that's
Yeah.
it to aspire to.
yeah, that's it. Can't have it. Where do you want us to start, Phil?
From the top.
Eh?
From the top.
The beginning bit.
You've done so well.
I don't even do, well, you know, I don't do 2 takes. I just try. I can't do it. Okay, so we are back up to our project where we're converting 3 barns with Joe, our site manager. The last time we were up here filming, we were about 6 weeks into the project. We'd just getting through the demo stage and strip out stage. We're now 4 months from the end, about halfway through the programme. In terms of money, we've got to get through about £1.2 million of work over the next 4 months, which is 300 grand a month. we can't give away too much of the changes, but from walking around, the additions, one of them's a security room we've got to put in.
Yeah, there's a high net worth individual is the client, so there's a lot of security which has been added. And more Wi-Fi points, more TV points throughout.
So for our next month of work, I'm gonna give us a rundown, Joe. Where's our 300 grand being spent?
Well, we've got all the first fix items have turned up. So like you say, the guys will be getting on with that. I think the lodge side of things should be done in the next couple of weeks, so we can start closing up. Say marmoleum, because it's the Forbes version of lino. Marmoleum, yeah. It's eggplant purple.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's going down first, but obviously we've got the problem of not having the windows in, and it needs to be put down at 18 degrees.
Yeah.
So then we've got to kind of organise heating, etc., closing off of openings and that sort of thing in order to get that done, so that can go off, and then we can continue with get the shower trays down, baths in, first fix really.
How I mean, the flooring's going to cost us thousands, tens of thousands. How are you going to go about protecting it?
It's all going to come in one hit. I'm hoping that. Protection once it's down.
Yeah. Once
I've got rolls of cardboard, then Corex, then hardboard.
Yeah.
That's the way I want to go, because if you scuff like lino, it's you've got to start again. I mean, it comes in 2 metre wide sections.
Yeah, but the client's happy to spend it as well.
Yeah.
It gives you. I don't know. I'm not going to say it makes it easier, but because the money's there and the quality of the products is there, and they're happy to spend the money, and we've priced the job to deliver it to that standard.
Yeah.
It does make it's a bit more pressure because they're spending the money, but it makes it a bit easier, I'd say.
Yeah.
Than trying to have
everybody knows where they are. You snag the job as you go. Don't wait till the end and snag it.
Yeah.
And even the guys, I'm trying to sort of drill into them that as you do something, just check over it.
Yeah.
It needs to be spot on.
Yeah.
They're all doing a good job at the moment.
Watch this space, because Anthony is going to start talking to the camera. He's going to be giving more knowledge away, more insight into the world of construction and the specialist projects that he's been working on. And that starts today. We're going to be filming some top tips. It's not going to be called top tips. It's going to be...
We're not calling it 5 questions in an envelope then anymore.
No. Can you just talk down the lens and introduce this new video content as shortly as possible? So I'll give you the title.
Go on then. 3 things you should know about building material costs in 2022.
Can you say, this is 3 things you should know?
This is 3 things you should know about building costs in 2022.
One more time, looking at the camera.
This is 3 things you should know about building material costs in 2022. Watch out for the price increases, number 1. Number 2 is look out for lead times. Some materials that you could have got in a day or 2 might now be a week or 2. Some more specialist materials might have been previously 2 or 3 weeks, you might be 2 or 3 months. So lead times, if that's not watched, then it can really throw off your project. A third one is quality of the products as well. It's easy for when you're going out to get your materials to be told that one's out of stock, but why not try this material instead? You'll ask the question, does it do the same job? 9 times out of 10 you'll be told, yeah it does, but it might be a different spec, might not have the right U values, thermal performance, anything. So be wary of being recommended other materials.
Good day?
Yeah, we've had a good day. It's not done, is it? It's only 4:30, 4:15, so get back home, get the laptop turned on, and catch up on all the things that I've not caught up on in the car. Good day, busy day, that's what it is.
See you later.
You want me to go?
Yeah.